Hi, I'm Chip Evans from Trooper Have a Barbecue. This is unruly Vin Diesel Alexander Evans, first of his name, and welcome to Smoke and Fire! Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be smoking some chicken. The method we're going to use is known as spatchcock. When we spatchcock a chicken, we remove the backbone and we lay the chicken flat on the grill. There's a couple things. Other than looking really cool, it's going to allow the chicken to cook more evenly and more quickly. We're going to be using a real simple method. We're just going to use a simple barbecue rub that complements the natural chicken flavors. We're not going to do any injects or sauces or brines or anything, although those are definitely ways you can add your own personality to this recipe. We're just use a real simple method. We're just going to rub it, smoke it at 250, and use it for several different things throughout the week. So let's get started. Alright, so here you see your spatchcock chicken has already been trimmed. I removed the backbone and I laid it flat. That's on our prep board here. Now I'm actually going to use a store-bought rub. You can make your own. Lots of different recipes out there. But I'm actually going to use the Traeger Kugel Summer Sandy rub. So the first step we're going to do is we're just going to add a little olive oil. So our smoker's up to temperature. Our chicken is well rusted and ready to go on. I went back in a couple of the low spots with the rub again. Sometimes as it's setting, some spots open up. So we're ready to get it here on our smoker. So our chicken is on the smoker here. I'm cooking on my Traeger Timberline 850. Again, doing a simple cook, so we're keeping it simple. Using a simple store-bought rub, using a pellet smoker, so there's not a whole lot of control that we have to do. We found the temperature at 250. First, you always go a little bit cooler, so go 225. We decided to bump up to 250. That's going to speed up the cook time a little bit. At 250, you can expect chicken to cook per pound about 30 to 45 minutes. The spatchcock may speed that up a little bit. We're expecting about a 2.5 to 3 hour cook. But really, you want to cook the temperature. So I insert my probe. I'm going to take it up to about 160. Chicken's done at 165, but after you take it off the smoker, there's going to be a little residual cook. So take it off there, let it rest a little bit, and it'll keep coming up the temperature. So now it's in wait time. Alright, so we're about 2.5 hours into the cook, and our probe says that the chicken is done. So let's go check it out. Alright, so I verified it with a probe, and our chicken is done. So it's time to take it off the smoker, take it inside, let it rest for a little bit. Alright, so here's our end result. You can see our chicken. We did some pulled chicken here, so we can do some different things with it. But everything's come out real moist, real tender, real flavorful, just from that simple process. Now there is just one more test that we need to put this through to make sure it's of quality, and that is the diesel test. Now what is the diesel test, you ask? This is Diesel. He is the official taste tester and quality control of Chupacabra Barbecue, so it is his responsibility to sign off on everything that's cooked. He says so himself. So we'll get his opinion on it. So Diesel, what you think? Need another bite to find out? I think he needs one more bite to find out. He's tricky like that sometimes. And judging from that, looks like we got his paws up. Alright, so that was for Spatchcock chicken. As you see, a real simple method, real simple recipe gave us some great results. And we got Diesel's paw of approval, so that's the ultimate goal. So make sure to put your own spin on it. Whatever seasoning you want to do, whatever spices you want to add sauces, just go crazy with it. In the meantime, follow me on all the socials, facebook.com/Chupacabra Barbecue, on Twitter at Chupacabra Barbecue, and on the Instagram, Chupacabra Barbecue 1. Because I'm #1 in your heart. And in the meantime, get out there and light that fire.